Welcome friends, and in this tutorial I am going to cover a very important topic which is related to phone and the gaming which you are playing on the phone. How to fix gyroscope latency, how to fix gyroscope delay. So not wasting much of your time, if you are feeling the delay in the gyro of your phone, this video is for you. Please watch this video till the end, so that in the last trick is very important trick. You have to watch entire video to get some knowledge about how to address the gyro lag issue in Android mobiles. I am going to tell you 3-4 tricks you have to apply. There may be any trick work for your mobile, any trick work for another person's mobile. So just go through the all the tricks and see which trick is working on your mobile and your performance is improving. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. Now the first thing is there any real gyroscope sensor in your phone or not? You need to check this. First you need to check this, you have real gyroscope sensor or virtual gyroscope sensor in your phone. So how to check? Just go to the Play Store and then search for Core Specs. Core SPECS. What is happening in low end mobiles, there is only virtual gyroscope, so in that case addressing gyro delay is an issue. So just go to that app, install it. I have already installed it, so I'm just opening it. If it is asking some permission, please go ahead and give the permissions. Here this screen will open. Go to the sensors and here accelerometer sensor is there. Just tap on accelerometer and here status is available. This is very important. If there is an accelerometer sensor, then only it can be calibrated. How can we see that this is working or not? Just tap on real-time data and just shake it. Now see the lines are just shaking, and if this still, then straight. So this is working. So we have confirmed by this that we have accelerometer sensor in this mobile. Now this mobile, the gyro delay can be fixed. Go and gyroscope. Here also please confirm that gyroscope sensor is available. If it is not available here, then you have virtual gyroscope sensors and it is very difficult to fix the gyro delay in that case. So how to check the real-time data is it waving? See, I am just and now if I place in the planes, the lines are going straight. So this means this gyroscope is working. And so this was the first application I have told, Core Spec application, by which you can confirm that you have real gyroscope sensor, accelerometer sensors, and you can calibrate it. Now if you don't need it, you can uninstall it. You have checked it. Now go back, go to the Google Play and here search for accelerometer calibrator. This one, tap it. I have already installed it. You need to install from Google Play Store. Just open it. It will ask for some permissions. You need to give that permissions, and then this red circle, it needs to be there in between. So just placed it on the, now it is just in the middle of the square. Just recalibrate it. Now it is identifying accelerometer hardware. It will calibrate. Detected which accelerometer is there, the hardware version. Analyzing the delays values, analyzing the real-time values. Now calibrating. Our accelerometer sensor is getting calibrated. You can see now ad will come. Just see this. After that, see your LSM6 DSL accelerometer has been calibrated successfully. So now restart the device. I'm not restarting it. Now go back, and now what happened? If you are still feeling gyro delay, then I'm going to tell you 2-3 apps you need to install. The first is Super Gyro. Go here. I have already installed it. Open it. You need to install it. Will ask for some permission, and here just sensor delay watch and add. In which sensors you want to adjust the delay, just select ultra and turn it on, and lock this application in background, then play your game. I can definitely say that you will feel much improved performance in your game. How to lock the application in background? Just go to the recent tabs here, and then put on long press, and here from lock this app. So lock it, and then play and improve the improvement in feel the improvement in performance. So now I'm talking about the second app. What is that? Hyper Gyro. Not Hyper Gyro, that is wireless IMU. This wireless IMU, if you will go to the Play Store and search here wireless IMU, it will not show anything, because this is the higher version of Android. So this wireless IMU is for lower versions of Android. In spite of this, if you want to install, then go to the Google Play. Here search wireless IMU. Search wireless IMU, and then Softonic. From here you can free download. You can download free, and I have downloaded it. I will directly go to there. So wireless IMU, you will find it this. If it asks for any permissions, give that permission. Now just tick run in background, tick the fastest, and just turn it on. Now okay, now it is working, and just lock this app in background, just the method I told you previously. So after that it may work. It may work means you can feel the improvement in the performance of the game. So this was the second thing. And the third thing is again an app. You can if you will try to find out in Play Store, that is, this is a wireless IMU, then Hyper IMU, not wireless IMU, Hyper IMU. This is again telling this app is not available for your device because it was made for an older version of Android. So if you want to download it, just go to the Chrome, search here wireless IMU app, then wireless IMU, Hyper IMU. We have to search Hyper IMU APK. Then from Google Play Store we cannot download. We can download from here. I have already downloaded it. I will directly go to that app, Hyper IMU. Now I will install it. See, something will here come. Go here, go to the sensor list, select the accelerometer and gyroscope sensors along with the linear acceleration and rotation vectors, and then select it. Now go to the settings here, protocol, UDP, sampling rate 20. Okay, go back. Now press to start, and now lock it into the background and play the game and feel if there is any improvement or not. And the last thing, in Samsung mobile one code is there. From here you can also *#0 *#, and after that this sensors will come, and here gyroscope sensor, gyro self test, and here you can see the test is getting passed or not. If it is getting passed, the gyro sensors are working and you will not feel any gyro delay. So this is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.